Hey everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. I hope everybody's having a good day today. Today I'm going to show you this little journal. I found a tutorial on YouTube by Kathy at Attic Treasures, and she was showing how to use a piano roll to make a journal, a little journal cover. So I had some piano roll. I didn't know what to do with it. So it's so thin. So this is really a great idea here. So let's go ahead and get started. I got on the cover some collage pieces. I have some Tim Holtz. These are napkins. Here are these collage pieces that are on the cover. I covered the spine, which is 1 inch, with lace on both sides. I used the elastics for the signatures. The back is Tim Holtz paper dowel and his layers. And I put the frosted crystal on him, and then I was able to use my crayons to paint his shirt blue, and I did his pants a darker blue. So I thought that turned out kind of nice. I really like the way that looks. And in here you can see more of the piano roll, and this is the words to the music on there as well. What I did was I took the piano roll and I glued it down to a piece of packing paper that you get in your Amazon shipments. I glued it to that, and then I glued it to a Amazon brown paper padded envelope, and then on the inside is Tim Holtz paper that I covered it with. So it makes a nice, really sturdy cover. I really like it. This measures 6 by oh, I didn't do the whole, let's see here. Closed, it is about 5 1/4, but opened up fully. Here you can see I have 3 different areas. This is 4 7/8, the middle is 4 7/8, and then this was 3 1/2 from the other spine. So let's take a look. I've got a pocket here that I made out of hanging file folder. Got some different collage items on there. Paper dowel, butterfly, some mushrooms. Those are from the Field Notes ephemera pack from Tim Holtz. I took a little piece of file folder here and made a tab, and then I have 2 journaling cards inside. They're sewn and backed with the Amazon paper, so you can journal on them. Here's first page, just a little collage, basically just little bits of stamping, collaging. Nice coffee stain paper here, a little stamping here, got a little mushroom on that side. Here I've got a pocket. Now this is taken from Carolyn at Carolyn's Craft Tree, and she does this, what she calls pin stitching. So I thought I'd give that a try. So I have a few of those in here so you can see the different ones. This is a flower. Just made a tab out of the file folder. And I've got a journaling card in here. It's backed with the paper as well. It's got a little collage. Got a stamp here. Little washi tape. Some more coffee dye paper. Here's another one of the stitches that she showed on her channel. And I've got a little journaling card in there with a butterfly tab. Tim Holtz paper. This is from the Field Notes ephemera. Then in the middle, I have one of my little file folders here. On the top, of course, there's another pin stitch flower. On the top, I put that, and then I've got a couple of small journaling tags that go in there. And then on the inside, I've got a pocket. Just used, this is actually Tim Holtz packaging on the back that I made this pocket out of, or tuck. Just put a few things on there, sewed them on. This is from the Tim Holtz typewriter 3D folder, and that you can journal on as well. Over here I got a couple of the little paper doll boys and another journaling card here. I put a tab on there and just put the number 2, no rhyme or reason, just did. And then I keep that closed up with one of these little mini clips from Tim Holtz as well. This is from the layers, what's it called here? I tell you, I can't keep all these things straight. I don't know how everybody does that. Engravings, the engraving layers. And this as well, I put the frosted crystal on, and then went in with my water brush, my crayons, and colored that in. This is just a piece of paper on there. I got a stamp, have an envelope flip here, and this just has a little poem on it, and you can write on the back of that as well. A little bird stamp, some washi tape, some more washi tape. Got another one of the pin stitch tags here that I'm using as a pocket, and I've got a journaling card there. Have a little collage here, just a sticker that is. Got a postcard sticker on there, some washi tape. Got a pocket made out of piano roll, which was it was blank. It didn't have the holes in it where it plays. So I did that, and then I've got, this is a background I did using mica spray or mica stain, the Halloween colors. There's a flickering candle and broomstick, I think, a crooked broomstick on there. And just did a little collage, and that goes right in there. Have a stamp here up in the corner, the sticker. Did a little side corner tuck thing over here, and just got a little journaling card there as well. This is a tag that I cut off, some washi tape, a little washi tape there, and another big stamp sticker here. Here's my library card that I used the file folder for the holder, and I finished this on the 17th. And that just goes in there. And again, when you purchase a journal from me, I always, from the library I put the name of the recipient. I type the name of the recipient up there, so you've got that. Just got a little collage on the inside of this corner here. So there it is. I just got a button and string closure on here. And this is just, it's a little pocket with a couple little pieces of the Tim Holtz ephemera in there. This is a little piece of a film negative that I sewed to that tag right there. So there it is. I hope you liked it. I am in the process of setting up my Etsy store, and oh my goodness. It's taken me a minute, but I am working on it. And so that will be up shortly, I hope. And in the meantime, if you would like to purchase this journal, just get a hold of me at my email, and any questions or anything like that, I have been more than happy to help you out with. So make sure I got all my info. Oh, there's 38 pages in in the 2 signatures there. I didn't mention that. So I will put links to Kathy's and Caroline's channels down below so you can check them out. Really, really neat tutorials for the things that I have in here. So yeah, make sure and check them out. And well, I hope you have a nice day. And I see the sun's finally coming out here. We had a big old thunderstorm this morning. It actually was probably the biggest one we've had through the whole summertime. So, but now the sun's starting to come out. It's supposed to be about, I don't know, 70-ish today, and then tomorrow is just dive bombing down to the 50s. So I guess our warm weather is over, doggone it. But hey, it was 74 yesterday and sunny and beautiful, and I just have that picture of the blue sky and still the green trees in my mind that I can I can conjure up when it's cold and snowing and dark in the wintertime. So anyway, have a great day. I'll see you all later, and yeah, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.